Bonjour, my name is Valli. I am the French HOD in Phoenix Greens International School of Hyderabad. I would like to thank Le Free Hindi Paris for giving us the opportunity to go on a virtual tour to Marché de Noël. My students loved it. It gave them the actual impression of walking around in the markets of Lyon. This tour not only gave them the insight of the French culture, but also they fell in love with the French language. I am looking forward for more and more such tours with Le Free Hindi Paris. Thank you. Au revoir.
So students, I am actually calling you from this beautiful city called Lyon. You can see the windows here, the houses on the top and the shops on the ground floor. Normally, to see all these windows, they have the same kind of structure. Because in France, there is a rule that the facade, you have to keep the same. You cannot do the tinkering on it. You have to keep it the same because it beautifies the city. So there's a law. That is why you don't find any extension. Also, you will find that the windows, they don't have grills. They don't. So it is because when they have to take some things up. So suppose they have to take a new bed or a sofa or something up, then they actually pull it up from here with the ropes, and then they take it inside through the windows. Or on the top of the roof, there will be an outlet where they will take the things first up and then put it down. So that is how the French, architecture for all the buildings. Now these buildings are old. Some of them on the front are new, but then it's when they say new, then that means it was made in early 19th century. So otherwise these buildings are 16th, 17th century architecture. Now here, this is in the culture that you will have comics for children, you will have comic for middle-aged people, just like your father in their late 30s or 40s or 50s, and then they will have comics for your grandma and grandpa also. This is an adult kind of a comic shop where you get for adults. So you will see the Slayers. You want to see some Slayers, which you might know. You might know all these characters. Do you know these characters?
Sir, I know a few of them.
Sir, I know one of them.
Yeah. Now, there's a shop on the right which says Kebab Maison. It's called Victor Hugo Kebab, the name of this thing. So kebab has come from the Arabic region here, and many people, eat kebab based sandwich in the lunchtime. And then you have a regular kind of a French brasserie come restaurant. So what is the difference between a brasserie and a restaurant? Brasserie means that you will get all the short, like the foods which can be cooked very short, in a short notice. And restaurant is something which will give you a lot of, special food. Like if you come to France, you might not find big malls selling everything from needles to car. Normally France has been able to protect its small and medium scale enterprises which manufactures different artifacts, right from designer handicrafts, pens and chocolates and honey and sausages and different kind of things they make. And this market is by the government. Like these wooden shops that you see has been provided by the government to these artisans, which are local people. They stay within 50 kilometers of Lyon. Some of them come from faraway places, and they display their product and they sell them on the Marché de Noël. Santa Claus is called Papa Noël in French, and you see sitting here and with his reindeer. So basically, Papa Noël comes from Finland. In Finland, there is a Rovaniemi region on the north. He comes from there. There is a big Santa there who speaks 126 languages. Here, they are selling champagne. Now, champagne is a It comes from the Champagne region of France. So champagne is a French product. So when you see a big party happening or India winning World Cup, they do that fizz thing with a bottle of champagne that comes from France, and he is actually selling them with oysters. You know what are oysters? So these are oysters actually. So the French people, they eat a lot of oysters in Christmas. Okay, in Noel, oysters prices shoot up and they are salty, and the French people love a lot.
Sir, how long is this market? I mean, for how many days is this market open?
So it is open for a month. So it started in 23rd of November, and it will end on the 24th of December. So about a month before it opens. And you have some caps for women, like, you know, these wonderful caps which are being sold here are for women, and many women buy these. This is also a specialty, just like you have this sweet thing called churros, and churros is loved by many of the students here, and you have so many candies and all that thing apart from churros. This shop here on my right is a Canadian shop. So when you are learning French, it is good for you. It will open to you not only doors to Europe, but also to Canada, where many people immigrate from India, and also many students go for higher studies. Now you see Canadian flag there, and so here in this Canadian shop, you are getting the maple syrup juice. So basically, this is how it looks like. So these three shops here are dedicated to the maple syrup and to the juices that come from Canada. So you have all these things. I will show you some. I will ask one of my friend who is making crepe. Bonjour. Vous pouvez juste décrire ces crêpes, c'est quoi? Par exemple, ils ne savent pas les crêpes et tout ça. Oui. Okay, so he's actually showing you how to make a crepe. Okay, so it is like a dosa thing but sweet. See how he is making. Okay, he's talking to you. Okay. So he's spreading it like this, and he's showing you this. Okay, merci. Okay. 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 Oui. C'est bien.
Wow.
Professionnel.
Wow, perfect. C'est parfait.
Et c'est toujours sucré?
Non, il y en a des salés.
Ah, des salés aussi. Ah, ok.
Rajouter jambon, fromage.
Ok. Ah, c'est bien. Ok. Ah, bien, c'est très bien. Ok, je pense c'est et fromage et tout ça, c'est aussi disponible ici. Par exemple, les... Ah, ok. Peut-être on peut avoir un sucré. Oui. Okay, sucré. Okay, c'est so sucré. So guys, these are all the sugary one, the one which is sugary, and these are all salé. That you see salé written there. That means they are actually salted.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, we have got such an excellent, virtual tour here that I feel as if I am there, right there. So beside, so it's really so wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for everything. And I'm sure that even the students have enjoyed a lot, and like in the Christmas, since Christmas is like such an excellent and a big festival over there, I can really imagine how the magnitude this whole thing is going on over there. It's really very nice of you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you so much, and be in contact. Keep on teaching culture and language.
Sure. This has given a lot of ideas. Yeah.
Au revoir. Ciao.